Orlando Pirates' penalty against Mamelodi Sundowns in the final of the Nedbank Cup should not have been awarded, and this is according to the re-owned former referee Victor Hlongwane. Goals came from Tempazwane, who had opened the scoring early in the second half, before Pirates equalized through Masangwai when he was adjourned to have been fouled inside the area by Aubrey Modiba. Tito stepped up himself to take the spot kick and sent Ronwen Williams the wrong way to bring the Soweto Giants back into the match. The rising star Relobogile Mofokeng scored the winner in added time. Reviewing the match on SABC Sports Soccer Zone, Hlongwane explained why the call from the match official was incorrect. He said, "Football is not tennis, where you play alone. In football, you play with others, where there is a collision, where players are looking at the ball and they collide. There's no offense committed. Here we see Masangwai. The ball is in the air. No one has the ball. Masangwai goes in there into Modiba, they collide. If you say there's a push there, where's the push? We can't find the push. Where's holding? Because holding must have an impact. So there's no pushing or holding because holding must have an impact. Here it will be, this should be a normal challenge in football where the game will be allowed to continue." Unfortunately, the referee gave a penalty which was incorrect. This is of small comfort to Rhulani Mokoena, who expressed his unhappiness with the officiating on the day in the post-match press conference, doubling down on his stance that an incorrect decision had been made regards the penalty. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.